hindi nyo natibag ang Senado. Under Alan Cayetano, hindi nyo natibag ang Senado. So kung sino man, if I continue or may papalit sa akin, okay? Ulitin ko ha, during my watch, hindi nyo natibag ang Senado.
The Director Matibag also said you should be held accountable. Your reaction to all this?
Okay. Hindi pa naman ako SP, pinag-resign na ako. Buong buhay ko naman ganon diba? So certain people are called for the job. So even before I took office as Senate President, tinanong ko sa 12, bakit ako? And may reason kung bakit ako. Maybe because I was there during the time of crisis. You remember, nung pandemic, nag-break ang Senate, di ba? Ang House, mas marami kami. Gusto nila mag-break kami. Sabi ko, hindi pwede. Kailangan makita nila may gobyerno. Konti na lang siguro tayo dito. I don't blame naman yung mga nagsuggest sa akin Wednesday night na wala daw pasok the next day, Thursday, at i-cancel lahat. Sabi ko, hindi pwede. Kailangan makita nila may gobyerno dito. So, ang message ko sa NBI, hindi nyo natibag ang Senado. Under Alan Cayetano, hindi nyo natibag ang Senado. So kung sino man, if I continue or may papalit sa akin, okay? Ulitin ko ha, during my watch, hindi nyo natibag ang Senado. Now, kung if I remain or kung papalitan ako, sana hindi matibag ang Senado. The Senate is a target, di ba? Because we are the last line of defense sa pagdating ng hindi impartial na impeachment. We're the last line of defense sa budget. We're the last line of defense sa charter change. We're the last line of defense sa kung merong gustong yumurak o sumira sa ating democracy. I'm not saying we, the Senate, but leadership matters. Diba? So dun sa nagsasabing take responsibility, kayo pumasok dito, kayo na maril tapos kami pag-resign ninyo. Dapat kayo mag-resign. Diba? Pati yung mga ibang nagsasabing take responsibility for the shooting. I take responsibility for my reaction. Diba? So kung mamato ako dito, batuhin niyo ako pabalik, kayo magre-resign. Ako na mato The one who takes, you take responsibility for your action. So I will take responsibility for my reaction. How I handled everything. But I cannot take responsibility for them shooting at us. Confirmed na, may gunpowder yung hinuli. Sa loob ng Senado hinuli yun Until this time, may nagsasabi sa Pangulo na ang NBI daw nasa GSIS wala daw dito sa loob at hindi daw nagpaputok. So makikita mo there's lying all over going around. If they can lie with that simple thing, di ba? So sabi ko nga sa grupo namin, guys, hindi pwedeng maging general rule yung ginawa ng NBI. Tinetesting nila yung Senado. Unfortunately, dati, maraming nag-i-invoke dun sa spirit ni Salonga, Recto, Tanyada, yung Osmeña, Rojas, yung ating mga greats, di ba? In the past, pagka inattack ang Senate, nagka-come together lahat ng senador. Ngayon, algorithm at political bias na. That's what's sad about it. All the evidence is there. I mean, it's beyond our control na, like sa inyo, di ba? Pag dumating na sa editor, dumating na sa final, dumating sa live interviews, hindi nyo kontrolado lahat yun. Pag uwi nyo, ano ba talaga nangyari? Eyewitness din kayo. Di ba? So, yun din ang ko sa inyo. Kung eyewitness kayo and you think I did wrong, I won't take it against you for calling for the resignation. But if you're telling me na kontrolado ko yung NBI, so dun sa nagsabing scripted, di ba? Ang galing ko naman na pati NBI is under my command para.
So you won't resign, sir, unless magkakuyo will
There's no reason to Diba? Many of those who are calling for my resignation are political operators. Dati na silang may meaning nung nasa DFA ako, resign Alan. Nung nasa Speaker's Office ako, resign Alan. Nung minority leader ako, resign Alan. Lang ngayon, nag-echo lang ngayon dahil nga sa mga pangyayari. But for me, it's concerted effort from day one to get me out because they want someone they can control. The only thing I promised the 13 is I follow God. Diba? And, following God is easy if you know exactly what he's telling you to do, di ba? Pero if you have 5 decisions to make and all of them are godly decisions, hindi madali mag-discern na ano ba dapat gawin. So for example, as long as I tell the truth, that's godly, di ba? But do I extend a friendly hand in friendship? Di ba? Do I tell everyone, let's work together? Or do I pound the table muna para alam nilang hindi pwedeng ganito yung Senate? Those are everyday decisions that needs wisdom, and I'm not claiming to have all the wisdom, di ba? But uulitin ko lang, collaboration, okay. Pero yung sunod-sunod kami sa inyo at hawak nyo kami sa liig, hindi pwede yun. Collaboration, our government needs collaboration. The 3 great branches of government, judiciary, executive, they have to work together. Senate, House, we have to work together. But yung sasabihin mag-surrender or puppet SP ka, hindi ka tatanggalin, pero kung ano sabihin namin, sumunod ka. Sorry, hindi ko style.